In the final days of session, we need to make sure that we continue to push for ethics reforms. First, we need to make sure that people who have been convicted of a crime and they were an elected official do not receive their publicly funded pensions. Second, we need to make sure that we continue to push for term limits on all leadership positions in the New York State Assembly. And third, we need to make sure that we keep big money out of politics. Also, in the final weeks of session, we need to make sure that we continue to advocate and make sure that higher education is available for all students who want to attend institutions across the state. Our colleges are economic engines, and we want to make sure that we increase TAP awards to cover the tuition at SUNY and CUNY colleges. In the final weeks of session, the New York State Assembly needs to follow the New York State Senate's lead in passing comprehensive legislation that combats the heroin epidemic. And not only affects Long Islanders, but all of New York State. We need to make sure that there's money for proper education so people don't get hooked on the drugs in the first place, but also that there are areas where they can go for treatment and of course follow up with aftercare. These issues are vitally important for all New Yorkers, and we need to make sure that we pass these before we leave session at the end of June.